class 10 exercise number 3.11 question number 2 solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. So first we have to take the first Roman number 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is given. Compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is general form, right? Now compare that, place a is equal to what is the value? 2, right? Solution, in the place of a is equal to 2, in the place of b is equal to minus 5. Don't omit the symbol, you have to take the symbols also. And then c is equal to 2. Now we know the formula for this. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a or 2a, right? Now apply the values as it is in the appropriate places. This term is equal to, here formula we have minus, and then what is the b value? B value is minus 5, so use the bracket for that. Here formula we have minus, so this is formula minus, and b value is minus 5, right? Plus or minus root of b square means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is also 2. 2 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 2, right? Next step, minus into minus plus 5, right? Plus or minus root of minus 5 into minus 5 is 25. Minus 5 into minus 5. Here we have minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 4, right? Now 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 divided by 4. So 5 plus or minus, this is a perfect square number, right? So root 9 can be written as 3. So here we have two value, one is positive value, another one is negative value. Let x is equal to 5 plus 3, that is positive value, divided by 4. Another one is x is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4. It is the another value. Sum of this number is equal to 8 divided by 4. Then x is equal to, when I divide we get 2. Then x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by 4. Then x is equal to 2 ones are 2 2s are 1 divided by 2. Therefore the x value is 2 and the 1 by 2. Let's see the second Roman number. Root 2 f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2. Here f is the variables. So compare with this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. 2. In the place of a is equal to root 2. In the place of b is equal to minus 6. In the place of c is equal to 3 root 2. So a, b, c value, and then we know the formula, right? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a, right? Now we apply the values as it is in the given terms. Equal to, here we have formula minus, in the place of b we have minus 6, so use the bracket minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into, what is a place? Root 2, and then b place is 3 root 2 whole divided by 2 into root 2, right? Now the first step, now listen, minus into minus plus 6, right? Plus or minus root of minus 6 into minus 6, minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36, right? Minus 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? 4 into 3 is 12, and then root 2 into root 2 is 2, then 12 2s are 24 divided by 2 root 2. Now subtract this two term. 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 24 is 12 divided by 2 root 2. Here 12 can be written as 3 into 4, 12, right? 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 is a perfect square number. So 6 plus or minus 4 is a perfect square number. So it can be written as 2 root 3, right? 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. And then see, 6 and 2 is both are even number. So 2 can be taken out commonly. If I take 2 commonly outside, means inside the bracket 3 plus or minus 2 will be taken out, root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 2 will be cancelled. Then the remainder is 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by root 2. Here we have positive and negative value, right? Both we have positive and negative. So first I take x is equal to 3 positive value, that is 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2, one of the value. And then x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2. It is another value. So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2, and then 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2 is the answer. Thank you, students.